Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sembut mendirang ba ke jela basnya bhalang dhar haka pratrik lalingkat arajar pausan uliat ho bag regional committee nagabenta ko West Joint Hills kadang ika Kaiphod no deputy commissioner haka biade bat kishnong ki bahab hapo kathan block 1 haka jini karam bi lat bathai khubor basnya bhalang dhar ulong bag committee kala aipor ya UDC pen kre sakwai pat ka Kaiphod hapo albanai shoban IT shaka sarkar Meghalaya pat Assam.
No, we have still we give time to the DC for another 1 2 months to prepare for the another report that we want, and then we will place to the government, and then the both the government will take a call on this. Challenge is almost there, but trying is a continuous process always. No harm on that. Because why the issue which has been last the last 52 years, at least for the last 4 years, we are trying very hard. So we are keeping trying to solve it. That is the top priority from the government side.
How have you set a target date, more or less?
The target date is not there. We are trying to solve it as possible as we can, at the earliest possible.
But your counterpart regional committee, are they cooperating in this entire
Yes, obviously we are cooperating each other, but since there is a complicated issue, there is some time here and this happening, but we are cooperating each other. No issue on that.